Hello, my name is Irina. I'm an interior designer from Melbourne. Today I will show you how we renovated this beautiful kitchen in Melbourne. Just take a moment to have a look how the area looked before, and now have a look how the kitchen was updated. We completely changed the layout of the kitchen. The client wanted to have a lot of storage, and what we've done here, we have now overhead cabinets which go all the way up to the ceiling with shadow lines there, and it's a very good idea in the interior not to leave a gap between ceiling and cabinet, because dust can accumulate on the cabinet and you are losing storage. So basically I advise to my clients to take cabinets all the way up when you can. What we've done here, we slightly reduced the door, and this window is positioned here for more natural light during the day. Island bench is here. It's got beautiful LED lighting. It's porcelain. Porcelain is a very good material for the kitchen because it's heat resistant. You can take your pan, put it here and not worry about anything. And basically porcelain bench top will stay for ages. You can do anything with it. Pour wine, it will not go to the pores like it can happen with natural stone. And you know, with engineered stone, if you put hot pan, it can damage engineered stone. So if you want really good durable material for your island bench for busy households, go with porcelain. This edge is 40 millimeters. How it's done? It's a fold detail. And this detail is mimicking natural stone look. So if you look in here, as if it's a slab of natural stone, very thick one, but it's actually not, because porcelain slab is very thin, and we took one slab, then bended them, then made this joint, and you can't even guess that this is not a natural stone. Here we've got drawers throughout the kitchen. We don't have any handles. We have this detail of cabinets, finger pull out detail. It's a very good solution not to have handles, because you know, when there is a handle, it's very hard to clean the cabinet because there can be dust around this handle. So without any handles, you can just wipe this area and that's it. Your cabinet door is clean and it's very convenient to use it, and I personally love how it's looking. Here we've got display shelves with LED lighting as well. So imagine in the evening you can turn off the lights and it will give you really nice and welcoming atmosphere. So here we have huge sink. So now, I always recommend my clients to use one big sink, not double sink like it used to be, because most of the time you will use dishwasher. Dishwasher is here, by the way, and it's really convenient, you know, to clean here trays and even, you know, to cook, put vegetables. Like a lot of dishes you can put basically here, soak it and then take and put to dishwasher. Here we've got beautiful tap which can be pulled out. Let me open it. If you press this button, it's really convenient, so you can wash your vegetables. If you have opportunity to invest in tap like this, just go with pull-out tap. Now, what's here? This is cabinet, we can keep stuff here. Here we've got drawers and microwave niche. And guys, not to lose space below oven, we have this push to open drawer where we can keep stuff as well, which is really useful in the kitchen. Our pull-out bin is here. So this is working really well when you're cooking. Then you need to use your pull-out bin. Then you need to put dishes here in dishwasher or use sink. so it's kind of working together. This is pull-out pantry. So see, you can cook and then pull it out, take your spices, and it's a really good convenient layout with the pantry. So, you know, because if it's just a cabinet, you need to open, go inside, and it's not convenient. But with pull-out pantry, it's really good layout. Here we've got another set of drawers. They all handleless. We installed tiles as a splashback material just to give more interest. We could use porcelain as well, but we decided to go with tiles. It just gives more interest to the kitchen. Here we've got huge cooktop, huge oven, and this is range hood, which can be pulled out like this, which give light as well. Of course, as in every our project, we have LED light, so it lightens up your area. So when you're cooking, you can turn it on, and it just highlights all your bench top, and you can cook and not worry that you can't see anything. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below what do you think of the kitchen renovation. Let me know if you want to become my client. Just follow me on Instagram, Iluta, follow my design studio, studiodesignmile, visit my website, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.